Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today we will be talking about Solismarkets.com. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, of course comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered, and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. In this video we'll be talking about regulated broker, FSCS license, seamless withdrawals, roadmap of the website, Solismarkets.com of course, and some educational resources. Also in this video we'll be going through some web banners and also the savings accounts, which has 1.5% interest per month, positive balance, plus net deposits greater than $25,000. So enjoy the video. Disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for informational and educational purposes only. So guys, we are back now on the official website of solismarkets.com. The links will be in the description below, so make sure you check them out. It says here that your one-stop trading center invests intelligently. There is here two buttons, one for open real account and one for opening a demo account. Make sure to open a demo account and try out first if you are still learning in your cryptocurrency trading journey. Open a demo account, try out with it every feature, and then open a real account where you will be trading real money. On solismarkets.com, there is a wide range of trading instruments, protection and security, personal success manager, 24/7 customer support, and free education resources. So the trust partners are yahoo.finance, Hello Peter, and Trustpilot. There is here a small text that is speaking about the trust partners and how to become one. These are also other sites that are seen on Solismarkets. Here there are some daily news as some animations, so you can watch them and they are all dated. Here they speak about Benzinga, and they have here all the links. If you are interested to learn more about Benzinga, you can just type in this link and it will redirect you to the right page. Online trading platforms. Here you can learn more about how is Solismarkets an online trading platform, and you can use it on the web and also on the mobile devices such as Android tablets, iPhones, and many other devices. Here we are a great place to do business with because we are reliable and secure and regulated. Reliable, it is an easy use trading platform that keeps you in the game. Secured, we take the protection of your assets and data very seriously. And regulated, we are licensed and regulated by the FSCA under license number, and this is the license number, complying with the highest levels of international financial security. If you want to just create an account, it just will ask you for the first name, last name, email, and phone number, and then you just have to check this mark right here and then press register now. No payment method needed to do the registration on this site. So if you want to join, make sure to just fill in these information, register now, and then you will be redirected directly to the platform of Solismarkets. Here there is a small table where you can see all the cryptocurrencies or the stocks that Solismarkets is offering to trade. There is also the price, the change within the last 24 hours, and the change within the last 7 days, the bid, the ask, the high, the low, and the technical rating. If it says buy, then there is a higher signal of buying, and if there is a sell, then there is a higher signal of selling, and that will be helping you to make your own trading decisions. The right tool for the right job. Here you can read more about what we can do for you and all the features that are offered by Solismarkets here by this link right here. And here there is all the payment method offered by Solismarkets from Visa, Maestro Mastercard, Mastercard Normal, Standard Band, FNB, ABS, Say, Investec, Bitcoin, PayPal, and many others. So this is on the main page. We're gonna go now to the Academy, which is a section for the new learners and the people that are still learning and want to explore more in the trading and in the cryptocurrency journey. So these are some just explaining videos, and they are totally free. Even if you don't have a video, you still have access to these. If you don't have an account, you still have access to these videos. Forex trading, crypto trading, CFDs, commodity trading, stocks, market analysis, trading psychology, technical indicators, and many other interesting topics. So if you want to learn and if you want to explore more, make sure to check the Academy section on Solismarkets. The links will be in the description below, so make sure you check them out. On Solismarkets, there's also different account types or types of account, and here it will give you more information about every single account and what are the features offered by each account. So for example, there is the plus at $5,000 account,
and this will be offering you an economic calendar, daily marks update, but no top analyst stocks and earnings season access and top financial bloggers. Those will be open in the next accounts. So as you can see, there is benefits in every single account, and even if you get the first account, it still has a lot of benefits. And you can see here that, for example, for the exclusive account from the $50,000, you can see that for the exclusive swaps, there is swaps free, and this is starting from $2, and this is starting for the plus account from $5. So there is a huge difference between every account, and it depends from your capital investment. So make sure you check all the account types in the section of account types here, and then you can know more which type of category are you based at, and you will be choosing when you're registering. So here there is also an about us and affiliates and partners. We already talked about the partners of Solismarkets, but this is also a specified section for all the affiliates and partners, and also the invitation to join as a partner if you are also interested. Here there is a small contact us page where you can be reaching the support from Solismarkets and send them any inquiry you have. They have also an email address, support@solismarkets.com, a phone number always available to be called at, and also a post address where you can send your letters, and they will be answered as soon as possible. Of course, they have here rules for the phone calls and timings where they are open, or if you want, you can reach out through a message, and you can just type in here the first name, the last name, email, phone number, and the message. Even if you don't have an account, even if you don't register at the site, you still can use these features even as a guest.
So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, and of course comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered. Of course, you can check all the resources for free in the bio and check out all the websites from there. Thank you very much for standing by, and see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.